within a table, you may want to see different sets or groupings of data. So if we have the store orders table here to look at all of our orders, we can do something just like that through either filters or views with filters applied. All you have to do is click filter, add a filter, choose which field you want to filter on. We'll filter on quantity. We'll say we only want to see orders where the quantity is actually greater than 1. We can add another filter if we want to do that, or simply look at the filtered list here. Now let's say I want to come back to a filter. We can add a view. And so instead of filtering upon our default view, we can create a separate view. We'll call this quantity greater than 1. And within this view, we have the filter applied and saved. We can go back to the default view and remove the filter. And now we have the default view with all of the orders, or we can quickly navigate to the quantity greater than 1 view and see all of those associated orders here.